Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Now today we are back at Dean's and we are here to deliver a refrigerator that was donated. So stick and stay. Please remember to like, share and subscribe so that when we post a video, you will get the notification. Alright, so let's get into this video. No problem, Dean, no problem. You're most welcome.
Yeah. God.
Yeah.
Boy, God.
Oh yes, Dean.
Yeah.
I believe it.
You take out the fridge already?
No, me not take out it because me not have no other eyes.
So we not go take out it, man.
Oh yeah, so that have to go stay down here a little bit.
No, man, me take out it.
No.
No, we can't let you feel no.
Ah. Okay. Alright, let me take out
Let me
it.
hold the
Let me take
tarpaulin
out
for
it.
you.
Let me take out it. Let me move you out of
You have
here.
things in there to take out.
Like, me have
Take out
some...
where you have to take out.
Oh, okay.
Me have some food stuff tonight, man. Tonight me store my food stuff, you see?
Oh, me think like when me tell you say we are come, you would just do that.
Yeah. No, but me never look for you so quick.
You not look for what? Look how long we talk to you. Okay, me smell the gas though, Dean. The gas on?
Just turn it off.
You know, go cook.
I cook, me just buy some from one pound of fish head and say me I go cook on the
Oh, oh Lord, that we can interrupt your dinner.
No! Oh God, you don't know what to do for me, man. You know,
Oh my gosh.
dinner.
Yes.
That I least, man.
So it's a lady who you spoke with.
Yeah.
She's the one who sent the money to buy the fridge.
Boy, God bless her.
Yes, man.
God bless her anywhere in the world today.
Yes, man. We're going to see if we get her and then you can talk with her.
Yeah.
So, a whole heap of things.
You give me that something there.
Oh, remember?
This
The
one.
pressure cooker.
Yeah. I want a little lady buy me that pressure cooker here, you know. And we have to take care of it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Take out them there, you must know what you want to put there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Now go move it. Just move this out of the way. Yeah.
You turn off it?
Yeah, me too.
We are going to move this stove.
Cylinder off it.
Okay. Me pause a
I
little bit.
chew the place, you know. His stove can go back, man. I chew the place, you know, with me. I think space there, you know.
So you oven work, Dean?
Huh?
You oven work?
You know, say me not light to you, say for I give me.
Yeah.
Only the stove me light.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can get one new stove later.
All right.
But if me do get one new stove, you see what that what I give me? Me not dash away.
No.
I hit this where I come from.
Yeah.
I mean I figure where I come from.
No, you can't
No
forget.
way, no time.
But you know, sometimes when you move forward, you have to let go some things so you can't keep going back.
But boy, that's me have to have it now one corner as a memory.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
It's saying stove, all if you can get
The
one
stove
new
where I give
one,
me?
Oh,
you
Oh,
have to
gosh,
keep
man.
it.
alright, so we can go now.
Yeah,
man.
but so you're going to take off the thing from out here?
Yeah, sweep out
You sweep out the corner?
corner. That means
The carpet can't sweep.
Well, it's alright, man.
Box and carry it.
yeah, man.
Alright.
Oh, Lord. Yeah. Yes, man. So, guys, we are here at
They say what
Dean's
God do
this
have
evening.
well done.
And thanks to our subscribers, our viewers would have donated. So we were able to purchase a fridge based on our donor's instruction. She wanted Dean to have a refrigerator. And so we would have purchased it and we have delivered it. And we have Buddy, aka, well, it's not Buddy, aka, it would be Oran Richards, aka Buddy, helping us out this evening, and we're thankful to him. So you would have carried the refrigerator for us, and we are most grateful.
Boy,
So how you feeling, Dean?
I feel great, ma'am.
Yes, you feel great.
I feel can't tell you thanks.
Yes, yes.
Cause you see me need.
Yes.
And you reach out to me.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
You are more than a family to me.
Yeah. Yeah. And you know, we have based on the number of persons who saw your video, they reached out and they really did and
Yeah.
have been supporting.
Why?
You know?
They are God bless people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And guys, I know when we did the video, Dean only mentioned the fact that he just needs this thing to be changed. But you know, we are hoping and praying that we will be able to build him a room, bathroom and kitchen. If not a concrete structure, then apply one. So the donations have been coming in. Thanks to everybody who has been donating. And of course, further down, we will, of course, say thanks to, you know, name persons and say thank you. But we just dropped by this evening just to deliver the refrigerator. And we're using the opportunity to say thank you. All right, so guys, please continue to support the channel. Please continue to support Dean. You can still send us donations so we can, you know, have enough so that we can build him a room, kitchen and bathroom. Right, Dean?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Anything gonna send it to Miss Michelle.
Yes.
She will do anything in the world for me.
Yes, yes. All right, guys. All right, guys.
Thank you, people. God bless you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. All the donors and you, Miss Michelle, God bless you for what you're doing for me.
Yes, Dean. That's all right, Dean. Not a problem at all. Not a problem. And so, guys, also, because, you know, it's raining, so what we would have done, well, Dean would have asked us to bring him a tarpaulin. So we'd have purchased one so we can put it on the roof in the meantime. Where is it, Dean? The tarpaulin?
It's here.
Okay. So you're just going to put this on the roof now. Look how you hug it up. I think you're so grateful for it.
My God, you can't talk again, my girl.
Yes. Yes. All right, Dean. So make we go inside, go look on the fridge now.
Wow. What kind of screwdriver? Phillips?
Hold on. I said it. Tarpaulin. Yeah, tarpaulin.
Oh.
Hold on there.
No screwdriver?
A flat pan, no?
Hey, no, lemon.
Flat pint?
Yeah.
I have every little mixed snacks, you know. Big, small, and ordinary. Try to have every little thing for myself. Got two. Oh, me stay. So me have to do every little type of house lane to live, survive.
Let me sit down there.
Flat Phillips.
Oh, let me.
Yes.
Try to have every little piece of tool that I can have. Sometimes
Wow, careful, because that come forward a while
I'm
ago,
a food
Dean.
money me take by tool.
Yes.
Because sometimes I have a piece of tool me get to work. So a flat painter.
That's something I'm going to work.
Oh, wow, look at you. You sweating.
Well, thank you very much, Master.
Oh, wow.
God bless you.
Oh, Lord, Dean. So now you can buy your meat and store it. And you can store your food, you
See,
know.
my car that's in my plug in.
Yeah, man. I had love and drive you overwhelm me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know you're grateful, man.
Yeah. More than grateful, because I don't lie to you. I beg like a few sheets of zinc to cover. And they come like me, I get millions more than what me ask for. But there's only God alone could have do this to me. Because enough pray me pray.
Yes,
Yeah, God
yes.
answer my prayer, man.
Yes.
Yeah, enough pray me pray, man.
Yes, Dean. So now your prayers are being answered.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you see my Bible them. Oh my God. You see this one night, I'm a pillar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You read the Bible.
Yeah. Every night I hit.
That's
Sometimes
good.
it's me read till me drop asleep.
Mm-hmm.
I download one on my phone.
Yeah.
When me tired of this, I put on my glass and I read the one on my phone.
That's good. That's very
Yeah.
good. Yes, man. You're doing the right thing.
Yeah, I'm not left out God, man.
Not at all. You can't do that.
Because I him alone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Which part me go? Me have myself, I know doctor couldn't bring me back alone. Besides God. Yeah. Because me not lie to you. All my futures and everything did change.
Yeah.
And God bring back everything to me.
Mm-hmm.
For a man, me not yet, you know.
Are you serious all day?
At, you tell me, I do not drink
Yeah.
Pepsi, but I two Pepsi me have to drink.
No, Pepsi not good for you
Alright,
at
so me I
all.
say show you.
Yeah.
When the real father, me happy pastor, so.
Oh, you wait up.
Yeah. The Joker Jew with Jew.
Yes.
See there. The water has to wait up.
Okay, okay. So the tarpaulin will help you for
Yeah.
now.
Yes, and that's why me have to judge slippers in my house.
Okay, yes, sir. We
The little
understand now.
carpet, me could have walked barefoot, but
Because it's
truth are wet,
wet.
sometimes when my foot bottom wet, and I lay down, that's how I feel at night time.
Yes, yes. So Dean, you know, the donations have been coming in and we have
Oh,
to thank our
God.
viewers and subscribers and our donors. We are most grateful.
Oh,
Thank
God.
you guys. Thank you so much. And I appreciate it and I know Dean appreciate it a lot.
More than appreciate.
Yes.
Because you see 2,000 and I'm not satisfied with. Boy, it's a more billion times more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, I know you're grateful. Yeah, so we're hoping that Dean, we will be able to build something for you. You know, a kitchen and bathroom. Something that is more convenient. You know, and you'll be more comfortable.
Well, only comfort me a look. Kind time me comfortable, my belly full.
Yeah.
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 That's why I'm not worry about food. Just comfort.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why I put all the trust in God and God comfort me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I send people come comfort.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Wow. So Dean, come look in your fridge. It's looking good. Yes. Wow. Nice, very nice.
Thank you very much.
You have your key.
Yeah.
Dean, you have your key. Dean said, thank you very much.
Of course, of course.
The current.
Of course, baby, thank you very much, Carl.
Yes, son.
It's out.
No, what's it?
Where's the car? Where's the car?
Can't plug in at the work post.
Huh?
The fridge can't plug in.
Hold on.
So you just transport?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to make it stay a little bit.
Man, all the morning before we that time.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, here I go. Father.
You just shake
Shake
up in
up again,
it.
come on.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go get an extension. Plug in and
Oh, okay.
yeah.
So no plug.
That was a 6 hour time.
So you chop on in I go do.
Chapalin?
Yeah.
Me, I go up on the top right and I go put it up.
You can go up on the top of this house?
Oh God. Me have to find somebody. God go help me. Yeah man, me find time for you clean up everything and fix up everything,
Yeah.
man.
We wish, you know, that we were putting the fridge in the new house.
But as can't how we
yeah.
get it, you see even that up is a cardboard there where the fridge coming at?
Yes.
Why?
Oh, you're going to use
No, man,
it.
No yourself, man. Me I go fix up to tell you. Me have patience, man.
You're
I
going to
have
use
faith.
it.
Yes, me go and occupy and find use for it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, man. Me I find use for it, man.
Yes.
Cause the people them say they can't give me.
Yeah. So you go.
And me more than thank them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whether the lady who sent the fridge
Mm-hmm.
or anybody send even the food money.
Yes.
Boy, God bless them basket.
Yes, of course. And
Yeah,
when we.
I hope them basket may never empty.
Yeah.
And I hope they can see somebody else.
And this is like an ice tray, yeah?
Ice. Yeah, that you make like an ice with somebody. But no for me, cause I don't drink ice. But
All right. So, see, Mr. Kemper, wait for you run back there now.
yeah.
So it's late evening, guys. So we're trying to hurry before night. You know,
But me have
before
to
it
go up
gets
there,
much
you know. Cause here
darker.
I go on now.
You have leather?
I find myself up there, man.
Oh,
You see that piece
Lord.
of something I will cock up? Me I go put me now go make it tarpaulin go on in. That's what I think, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it might tear it.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
look.
have to go dry out.
Dean, please be careful.
What is that for me, bossy? Hurry yourself, man. I'm a Billy, you know. And God help me for Billy.
Yes.
So he might go help me that me can get to cover it away.
Okay. Strong.
See, sir. Yeah.
Roll out the guano. Just roll out.
Careful up there, brothers.
You go for over there?
Yeah. Wait there. No. You know what I do it the wrong way?
20 by 20, you know?
20 by 20. All right. You say, here I go on. Let it go. Just throw it up. That's it keep here. All right. Yeah? Yeah. Go here I go on. Eat if you open out so. I'm a billionaire, so I know how to walk on it. Huh? No, man. No. No. You lift it now, lift it. Wait there.
Mosquito. You feel them? Yeah. So guys, this is just a temporary fix because when it rains, bean
Yeah, funny thing
gets
though.
wet, so we're just covering over the
Yeah,
roof.
man. Water go run off
He
for this.
asked us
Gotta go
to
run water
provide
for
it
this.
with a tarpaulin,
Tight enough.
so we made sure that we got
Dry, you
it
can
so
dry
that
it
we
here,
can
you know.
cover the roof.
Dry the kingdom, yeah. So you take a pass it. The whole pass it, don't?
This I can't cut off.
Huh?
What's that,
Now cut
Marcelo?
it off yet.
When you come now.
Yeah.
So you have strings to tie it up?
Me fine string, mommy.
Okay.
Don't want to
Yes.
go over. Man.
Okay.
Oh, well, so good. Well, so good.
And now
Well
go
good.
cover the little section where the bathroom they're in.
No, the bathroom alright.
Yeah.
The bathroom now leak, you know.
Okay.
Cause through this issue, zinc then short.
Yes.
And a piece is, maybe you will stop leak on this one.
Okay.
But them I think you know, a long time of them are we furnish try primary school. Through the house it burned down,
Yes.
me get like a work up there. And through me never have no house, them did not pay me.
Okay.
Tell them say me no want no money,
Right.
just some material.
Okay.
And I hit me get and start this and get some slab or bush.
Yeah.
So look around at the back there, sir. This is part of a slab. I chop out and shape out
Slab.
and fix up it. The back right inside of here there, sir. Come to the bathroom.
Yes. All right here,
Yeah.
so.
So a slab.
Yeah.
But God help me, man.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
All right, Dean, come down now.
All right.
Lord. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So when you find the string and so now you just tie it
Yeah,
down so
man.
it don't blow off.
Yeah, so I go cook with one
You go
cup of
cook right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry if you interrupt your dinner.
No, man, oh gosh, man, I don't interrupt my dinner. I'm more blessing you can come give me.
All right, all right.
Yeah, thank you again.
Not a problem. You're most welcome.
All right, man.
All right, so guys, this is where we end the video for today. We really just came this evening so that we could drop off the refrigerator for Dean, and also to bring him the tarpaulin so that he can cover the roof so that it doesn't get wet. So we are in the process of collecting donations so that we can build Dean a house, whether it be concrete or plyboard, whichever it is that we're able to afford based on donations. So at the moment, we have been collecting some donations, and I want to say thank you so much to all the donors. Thank you, God bless you. And if you're watching this for the first time, we're going to post the first video so that if you're watching for the first time, then you can go back and you can view that video. And if you feel, if you are so led, then you can also donate to the cause, all right? So, but at a later date, of course, when we have gotten everything together, then we will thank persons specifically, because we have to say thank you to you, because without you, none of this would have been possible. All right, so until next time, we see you. Take care, be blessed. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.